Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Well guys, not do much this evening. Alika's birthday is around the corner like a couple days from now, which is Friday the 16th. And I want to get him something, so I'm going to do a little bit of eye shopping to see what is there to choose from. Alright, so stay tuned guys. Yeah guys, so right now I'm in the store. I'm going to walk or so I go on. Didn't want to get to my bicycle, but I'm not sure about the part there yet, sorry. I'm sure about the part there, but still want to get him something. Alright, so I'm drawing board or something. We're drawing a writing board. It's gonna be two guys. Sorry. You can't get him now. These I have one from last year, don't I guys? So I don't think I need to get him any. Yeah, I have one from last year. Not much to decide from though. So these are the stuff for them basically have. Toys. Can get him some jumbo blocks him can build. Sorry. So guys, some other age and up. Yeah, good when them advance. You buy them before they catch the age. So when they reach the age, they already advance. I'm gonna look at all this and clapping drum. This is another board. What's the ties? I'm a story I carry doing on. What's this ties? So basically them here over there. In a store here, I go walk see if you see anything at any other store. No, oh, this look nice. You think could I take out the numbers the man count? Guys, he's counting. He's saying his ABC. He's singing a lot of songs that he's learning at school basically. So yeah, this count from 1 to 20. Yeah, can I get in this? And there's another one. Time sign, so allergy kind of on right now. Look something here good because I kind of want some look educational stuff in, not just learning from the TV or the tablet or other things and can gravitate to. Yeah, so look at something there so I could have purchased. Look bad square art. So them they go dragging burn too quick. I'm gonna get him the number one though. You guys, now this is a book, magic water book. Ouch. Sports car. What do you see? Let's look for it and recognize it. Something there I can choose from though. If I'm looking educational stuff here, it's a bigger drawing board. And see some big puzzle here, guys. You could actually have much puzzle them. Can I get him some of them look stuff there? And getting the bicycle next year. Because it's gonna be a broke birthday. Sorry about that. And guys, we start buying charts already. Yeah. So. Yeah, so these are the bikes. Well, tricycle. I don't think you need a tricycle, but I'd rather buy a bicycle than a tricycle. Because at least you would have a bicycle for a while. Even though the tricycle, you could have people push around the yard if anything, and it not work. And maybe get him a cake or something like that. Basically. Some other puzzle there, saying for 3-year-old construction puzzles. Start those now, baby shark fishing games. Them there the bicycle them what them have. I think it's all that small one. Smallest one and the one there. Guys, I'm in another store. Basically, it's just the same basic things. Sorry. Same basic thing in this, guys. Nothing to choose from. Not much to choose from. So I think I'm just gonna get him some of the stuff them message at the other store earlier. And that's it, guys. Oh, charge my bag. I like stickers and something there. Birthday ads. Oh, you said you want birthday ads. Forgot to tell me say you want birthday.
This is serious. It was part of the command was going down the door. This is just the fence.
I'm getting my number 2. Yes, number 2. What's it 5? What's the 1, 2 there? I'm going to blow up and let him take some pictures. It's look nice too. To get him that. The bicycle like it that way. think I need to go home. The sinus here get worse. The guys that are that for now. And otherwise, if you need to shop for a baby, them have bottles and all these things. And other variety of things. But always advertise. I mean, I get paid for advertisement, you know. You need a cushion. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. That's that for now, guys. See you guys on Friday for Mordecai's birthday. Cause guys, we have got to choose some stuff now. For me see for birthday because there's not much in Portland to choose from. That's the thing. I will go Kingston, Ocean, and place there to get the right things that I really want. I have a baby story, but I'm not have much variety of certain things, especially for boys. So guys, stay tuned. Yeah, beg me $100. That's all I want. Let's go.